Why Taco Bell failed in Mexico. Every year, more than 50 billion tacos are eaten in Mexico. A lot of people assume that Taco Bell, which is easily the largest Mexican-inspired fast food chain in the world, must also be popular in Mexico too. But in reality, it's the opposite. In fact, if you visited Mexico today, you wouldn't find a single Taco Bell anywhere throughout the country. That is because, despite Taco Bell trying desperately to open in Mexico twice, both times the chain has been rejected by customers and has been forced to abandon its stores. To some people, though, Taco Bell's failure probably wasn't that surprising. After all, Taco Bell markets itself as a Mexican-inspired food chain. The food it serves is drastically different from authentic Mexican food. For example, in Mexico, the word taco almost exclusively refers to soft tortilla tacos that usually come in two versions. Whereas on the Taco Bell menu, the word taco refers to two different types of food items, a soft taco and a hard shell taco.